Have you noticed how social media and screens are changing the way our kids think? It's not just about fun and entertainment anymore. It's shaping their mindset and it's in worrying way. Kids are being taught to question and even reject authority. They start to think teachers are old fashioned and don't get their reality. They see parents as strict and controlling. And when it comes to religion, they are told that it's something that holds them back. This way of thinking leads to disrespect and rebellion. It makes kids feel like anyone who offers advice or guidance is just trying to control them. That's not true. But social media makes it seems that way. We can't let screens shape our kids' values. Let's guide them back to real conversations and faith based habits. Let's help them understand that wisdom from parents, teachers, and Dean is not about control. It's about guiding them to live better, happier life. It is time that we take our children's mindset from screens and we teach them to value respect, wisdom, and real guidance again, inshallah.